Howdy, and welcome back to Yates American B244. Originally, the start buttons were mounted as part of the starter enclosure, and that was located underneath the cutter head motor, which is probably not the most convenient location because all the other controls are on the other end of the machine. But what I would like to do is make a new button station that mounts on top of the drive frame. This button station will contain the starter for both the cutter head and the drive motor. So this button station is one of the things that I've kind of been working on offline with some scrap metal that I've had laying around. I'll weld it up and put a front plate on here for the buttons. And the button starters themselves are something I've been working on offline. So I got somebody to print some new buttons because the other ones had cracked, and the fastener that holds that little disc in place back there was not holding. If you recall from early on when I was working on these starters, they were pretty rusted and not in very good shape. So both of the starters are working real well now, and I look forward to getting those wired up to where we can run both of the motors. I'm using this block with a hole drilled through it as a guide to try to make the drill bit perpendicular to the surface. So I'll drill a hole in the base here and put one of the bulbs